Let's learn some wild animal names. M is for macaw. Say it with me. Macaw. Macaws are birds. Blue, yellow, green. A colourful bird. W is for white tiger. Say it with me. White tiger. This tiger is the colour. You got it. White with black stripes. A white tiger. O is for octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. This octopus is the colour blue. A blue octopus. S is for snake. Say it with me. Snake. This snake is the colour green with black stripes. A snake. T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. Tigers are orange with black stripes.
Roar, I'm a tiger.
G is for great white shark. Say it with me. Great white shark. And this great white shark is blue. R is for rhino beetle. Say it with me. Rhino beetle. Rhino beetles are orange with brown markings. A rhino beetle. T is for toucan. Say it with me. Toucan. Toucans are black, white, orange and yellow. A toucan bird. K is for chimpanzee. Say it with me. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are the colour black. Black chimpanzees. G is for giraffe. Say it with me. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks so they can eat from the trees. They are the colour yellow with brown markings. A giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. Say it with me. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses are very, very big and they're also called hippos for short. A hippo. Boing, boing, boing. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with K. Boing, boing, boing. Kangaroo coming to see me and you.